In every journey, there's a moment of refining. Collab's evolution is a story of transformation. Like a new dawn, we began by planning thoughtfully, shaping our vision with care. We refined our technology and our approach, building bridges to connect worlds. And then we refined again, and again, and again. Each step bringing us closer to the human touch at the heart of everything we do. And in the process, we refined ourselves too, as professionals, as teammates, as human beings. We refined not just our tools, but the experience itself, ensuring that every detail was meaningful. And finally, as we transform, we refine one last time, revealing a collab that's evolved into its best self. Seamlessly, thoughtfully, and always with a human touch.